You keep choosing the easy version and wondering why nothing changes. You hit snooze instead of getting up, order food instead of cooking, skip the workout instead of going, take the simple task instead of the hard one, avoid the difficult conversation instead of having it. Every single day, you choose comfort, and every single day, you get weaker. You call it being tired, you call it being busy, you call it choosing your battles. But what you are actually doing is training yourself to be incapable. Your brain cannot build discipline while you constantly choose the path of least resistance. Therefore, every hard thing feels impossible. Every challenge feels like punishment. You are not lazy, you're just atrophied. There is a difference. When you optimize your entire life for maximum ease and remove every bit of friction, you destroy your capacity for effort. Your brain learns that discomfort is avoidable, that hard is optional, that you can always choose the softer path. Therefore, discipline does not just fail to grow, it actively decays. You look at people who accomplish difficult things, and you think they have something you do not. Better genetics, natural willpower, some internal advantage, but they just chose hard when you chose easy, over and over. Until choosing hard became who they are, you chose easy, over and over. Until choosing easy became who you are. The comfort you protect is the cage you built. Every time you hit snooze, you teach your brain that the alarm is negotiable. Every time you order instead of cook, you teach your brain that effort is avoidable. Every time you skip instead of show up, you teach your brain that commitment is optional. Your entire nervous system is learning that you cannot be trusted, that when something feels hard, you will find the exit. Therefore, nothing sticks, no habit survives, no goal completes. You are not failing because the tasks are too difficult. You are failing because you have spent years teaching yourself to quit when things feel uncomfortable. You call it self-care.